Heat the key and press it into a bottle cap. Then apply hot glue over the cap and let it cool completely. In just a few moments, you'll create a simple and durable key holder that makes your keys much easier to find. Don't spend money on ready-made solutions. Make it yourself and never waste time searching for your keys again. Place a coin next to the key and take a picture. With it, you will be able to open the door in an emergency without calling a locksmith. This trick allows you to open the door when you don't have a spare key. I already have a picture of my key. Now, take a picture of yours. Take the coin and the key, place them next to each other, and take a photo. When you lose your key, find the picture. Display it on your phone. Place the same coin on it as in the photo and adjust its size to make them identical. This way, you'll have the exact size of the key. Stick a piece of plastic on the screen. It could be a small piece, for example, from a bottle. Regular adhesive tape will hold the plastic in place. Trace the outline of the key on it. Do this slowly and carefully. Peel off the plastic with the traced key from the phone. Take scissors and carefully cut out the key. It's important not to miss any teeth. It will take a moment. Now you have a new spare key, you'll be able to open the door with it. It works perfectly in such situations. I'll show you how to sharpen scissors using a regular coin. They'll be razor sharp. My grandparents taught me this simple trick. Over time, scissors tend to get dull and even rusty. See? Even a quick test with a plastic bag and a sheet of paper shows they've lost their edge. First, grab some regular toothpaste. It has abrasive properties that work perfectly to clean and prep the metal before sharpening. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste all over the scissors, on both sides and around the screw. Use an old toothbrush to spread and rub the paste into the metal surface. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. This gives the paste time to do its job. Now, take an ordinary coin. Hold it at about a 40-degree angle to the blade and rub it back and forth with steady pressure. Do around 30 strokes. Then repeat the same on the other blade. The scissors will regain their original sharpness. They'll easily cut through paper or plastic. This trick saves you money on sharpening tools or buying new scissors. It's a handy home hack worth knowing. If you see a coin stuck in your door handle, don't ignore it. It's a new trick used by car thieves. So if you notice something like this, you need to know what it means. When you get out of your car, lock the doors, and walk away, you're convinced everything is secure. Meanwhile, thieves use a simple coin trick. They wedge an ordinary coin into the passenger side door handle. They may have done it earlier while the car was unattended, then watch the owner from a distance. When you park and get out on the driver's side, you lock the car as usual. If a coin has been jammed into the passenger side handle, that door may not fully lock, even though the central locking system activates. You walk away unaware that one door may still be unlocked and easy to open. That's why, before leaving your car, you should walk around it and check the handles. It's a simple way to protect your vehicle from a break-in. Make sure there's no coin or other object stuck inside. This doesn't apply to every car model, so it's worth testing on your own vehicle to see whether the coin trick could prevent the door from locking properly. A quick check can save you from major trouble. Staying alert and reacting quickly is one of the best ways to avoid car theft. Put a cup with a coin in your freezer before leaving for vacation. You'll thank me later. It may sound strange, but it's a clever and effective trick that can protect you from an unexpected situation. All you need is a regular cup and some water. Fill the cup with water and carefully place it in the freezer so it doesn't spill. Once the water is completely frozen, place a coin on top of the ice. It doesn't matter what kind of coin. Close the freezer and enjoy your vacation with peace of mind. When you return, check where the coin is. If it's still on top of the ice, it means your freezer worked properly the whole time, and your food is still safe to eat. But if the coin has sunk to the bottom, it means there was a power outage and the water melted, then refroze after the power came back. This simple test also works if you're expecting a storm, strong winds, or anything else that could cause power interruptions. It's a clear sign your frozen food may have thawed and should not be eaten. A simple trick that can make a big difference. A brilliant trick to save your silk or chiffon fabric. Snags are a common problem with delicate materials. To fix them, all you need is an ordinary coin. Gently rub it over the snag, The coin smooths the fibers and helps straighten them, evening out the fabric surface. It's a clever, cost-free tip that can save your favorite item. Drop some coins into a plastic cup and place it on the door handle. Everyone should know this trick. I do it every time I travel. I always bring an empty plastic cup with me. It's for my safety. I also carry some coins. Whether I'm on vacation or a business trip, I use this trick. The coins are there for my protection. Many hotel rooms don't have extra locks from the inside, so if someone tries to open the door while you're asleep, you might not notice. But if you have a cup and coins, that changes everything. Just drop the coins into the cup and balance it on the door handle. Make sure it stands still. If someone opens the door, the cup will fall and the sound of coins hitting the floor will wake you up. You won't be caught off guard. The intruder will, and you'll have time to react. Keep this trick in mind next time you're in a hotel. Put coins in the sink in the hotel. Apparently a lot of tourists do this. This brilliant trick was shown to me by a former hotel staff member. The bathroom in hotel rooms differs in a few details from the one at home. Although at first glance it looks similar, it turns out that the sink is limited in its functions. Ordinary coins will make using it much easier. If there is no laundry machine in your hotel room, you'll probably use the sink to wash clothes. Unfortunately, the hotel sink doesn't have a plug. This is done for safety reasons. The lack of a plug minimizes the risk of flooding the room. Ordinary coins in a plastic bag can replace it. Just place the bag on the sink, then arrange a few coins on its surface to cover the drain. This way you'll make a makeshift plug that will easily help you fill the sink. Soaking and rinsing clothes in it will be easy. Travelers all over the world use this trick. Brilliant, isn't it? A simple coin solved the oven problem. From now on, cleaning the oven is a piece of cake. Finally, all the burnt residues have disappeared. I used a natural mixture. I also used the coin trick. To prepare the special mixture, use 1 small cup of baking soda. Pour in half a cup of water. Add another cup of spirit vinegar. Do it gradually because foam will surely form. It's a reaction from the combination of soda and vinegar. This mixture works wonders in the oven. Take a dish sponge. Apply the mixture to the burnt areas. Cover all the burnt residue that has baked onto the bottom of the oven. Do it thoroughly. Put the rest of the mixture in the oven. The dish must be heat resistant. Close the oven. Set it to 100 degrees. Turn it on for about 40 minutes. After this time, remove the bowl. Start cleaning the graty. Just a regular spong is enough for this. You don't have to scrub anything. The burnt residue comes off on its own. Flip the grate over. After a short while, it's as good as new. Also, wipe the glass on the oven door. The dirt and residue are gone. Now start removing the mixture from the bottom of the oven. Use the sponge to remove the soda and burnt residue. The burnt residue comes off as if by magic. Just gather all the dirt. It's almost unbelievable. After a while, there won't be a trace of dirt or burnt residue. If there are any individual burnt spots left, you don't have to make the soda, water, and vinegar mixture again. Just use the coin trick. It's very simple and effective. Rub the burnt spots with the coin. They'll come off for sure. Any place that the soda didn't neutralize for some reason, you can remove with the coin. As a result, the oven is finally truly clean and shiny. The burnt residues are gone. It's hard to believe it's the same oven. The whole secret is the mixture of soda with water and vinegar and the coin.